Okay, some of you were asking about how to navigate through Google Classroom to open a document. So your first page is the actual front page, which is period 3 in this case. The stream section basically are just announcements. Most important section is classwork. You had a rhetorical analysis that was posted on April 2nd. You view the assignment. Some people were asking about how do you access the article. The article is right here. Okay. You read the article. Annotate the article. And then you document your findings on this form. Who is the author, presenter, what is known about them, purpose, what's the reason behind it. So you fill out this chart. When you're ready, you just turn it in. There's a button over here on your screen that says turn in. Okay, if you have any questions, please give me an email. Thanks.